Creating with AI is simple, but making it cinematic, that takes a bit more intention. Let's walk through it, just 3 steps. Start with the AI image generator. Pick Google Imagen 4 Ultra. It gives you that clean, photorealistic look. Now think like a filmmaker, not just a prompt writer. Add dramatic light, tight framing, and natural textures to build atmosphere. Then pick a color palette that sets the tone. Choose one that fits or make your own. When you get your image, just click on it and choose Create Video. That opens it in the AI video generator. Switch to Google Veo 3. This model is perfect for smooth depth and cinematic camera moves. Add movement suggestions to define how the viewer experiences the scene. Create spatial depth for the character. Use small gestures. Add light changes of light to make the scene more realistic. Don't forget to describe the environment. Here's the final example, using all those layers. For sharpness and flow, open the video upscaler. Choose your output, resolution, and frame rate, then click Upscale. This step adds clarity and smooth motion, and that's how you can craft cinematic AI visuals from concept to final export.